like a tumbleweed.
Gia is enjoying laying outside, and it's very cloudy, which means the sun isn't killing us right now. Which means it's okay that we don't have a canopy on the van anymore. As you can see, I had a little issue yesterday putting the canopy up. And now I had to order a new replacement window, which was $795, because you have to replace the whole window. Plus labor for somebody to install it. Not been a good week for me. I should have taken a video of me cooking my breakfast, but I was really hungry. Anyway, we're back at Bonito Campground, and my campsite is right across the street from the Sunset Crater Volcano Visitor Center. I'm going to go over there and get a t-shirt later. If you watched my last video, you saw how I attached my canopy to the van with 1,700-pound magnets. And you could see how nice it makes our campsite here with the canopy shading the windows, which keeps it much cooler in the van. Unfortunately, we had to take the canopy down to go get propane. And when I came back to put the canopy back on, this is what happened. Well, I was trying to hook this awning up. I have magnets that go on the front and the back. And when I tied the thing down, the magnet came off and broke the window. And this was a 1,700-pound magnet. I've used this several times and never had a problem until now. After I ordered the window replacement, I discovered that I could go through my dealer to have just that one window replaced. So I canceled the order for the expensive full window, and I'm now waiting for the dealer to help me find this part. She and I took lots of walks around the park. See how big that crow is? It's almost as big as Chia. And then we had a little visitor that was quite annoying for a couple of hours. I named him Seth Brundle. Weather like this is not very good for my solar panels on the van, but it sure feels good when you're sitting outside. Look, the sky is yellow, almost green. Kind of not showing up in the video though. She is pulling my arm. I swear the sky is green. We come over here. That sky looks green to
Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed. She goes where the wind